Good morning, beautiful souls. Happy Monday. Meditation Monday. One day I'm just going to come down here and I'm going to turn the video on and I'm just going to sit and play the bird song because it's magnificent, and I'm really kind of digging the beginnings of spring. It doesn't really feel very springy at the moment. It's still very kind of cold and damp in the UK, but the birds say differently, and so does the morning light. And if you've been following my channel for a while, you may recognise where I'm sat. Behind me is the remnants, or the trunk, of what was once the most magnificent oak tree. Now, judging by the quantity of rings, this oak tree, and I've got my arm on one of the old branches, was stood for hundreds of years, long before the property was even built. And in the winter, the January of 2013, just after the cosmic moment, she chose to lie down due to the incredible quantity of rain and high winds we were receiving. The roots got waterlogged and she crashed with a noise that made the walls of my house shake. And so immediately I came down to see what the fuss was about, and was quite dismayed to see this beautiful tree like literally fallen over. However, 3 or 4 months later, I noticed that the branches that had fallen were growing leaves. They had oak buds on them. And I thought at that time that was a perfect lesson, that even though we may choose to sometimes crash out, to lie down, to basically call it a day, regeneration always occurs if life force is still present, if will is present, if intention to continue is present. And with the increase of the light coding that's going on at the moment, I was attending the beautiful workshop hosted by Jackie White yesterday, and there was a very strong presence of Amarillis and Merlin with me. I didn't get the chance to speak about either of them, but Amarillis is pardon me, holding the codes of regeneration at the moment. Now, regardless of whether you are experiencing spring or you are experiencing autumn, we are in a process of regeneration. We're regenerating from the root chakra, from the earth star chakra upwards, and becoming accustomed to life in 5D, a different frequency and a different vibration. Diana Cooper said yesterday that 37% of the planet is anchored at a 5th dimensional frequency. Happy days. That's good news, because it only takes another 17%, and at the rate of wake up that will not be far away, for us to have the weight of balance completely in the favour of the mighty I Am presence here on this world. So just take a few moments now, as I'm sat here in this glade by the broken tree, and I can feel the energies of regeneration all around me. Just close your eyes and breathe into it. Breathe into the frequencies that I can hear and see and feel. And just let all of the earthly worries, everything that you have around you, just stop momentarily. It's up to you if you continue them afterwards, or you can hold this peaceful vibration for as long as you can. Breathe and relax. Normally I'd suggest breathing into the heart center. Breathe into your whole body this morning. Obviously, breathing into the heart, the lungs and the heart, they intertwine energetically, physically and energetically. But allow your whole body to receive your breath. Every molecule, every cell of you, right from the top of your head to the tips of your toes. And relax. breathe, relax, hand yourself over, let go and let God. And as you're breathing into your physical body, you'll feel automatically your mental body, your emotional body, and your spiritual field just go, and relax with you. And stepping into your auric field now, your spiritual fields around you, is a beautiful white and radiant yellow energy. And this is the Goddess Amaryllis, the goddess of spring, who, regardless of your geographical location, is holding the codes of regeneration for you. And she's offering them to you in the form of the most beautiful floral garland, constructed obviously from Amarillis, but also interwoven with daisies, pure white daisies with yellow centres. So allow this to be placed on the crown of your head or around your neck as a gift from Amarillis to you on this morning. And she places both of her hands upon your shoulders. And your body relaxes further. Your mind may wander, it may take you into a glade of your choice. You could be by water, you could be by trees, or you could have an open meadow in front of you. Or you could even be by the beach, wherever you are taken. Whatever makes your soul sing and soothes your energy the most, just allow yourself to be there. As the golden, yellow and pure white energy of Amarillis moves through every cell of your body. Beloved, she speaks, you are being offered the opportunity to regenerate, to call back to life your 12-strand DNA, the cells of your body, the archaic gold prints of light that exist within every fabric of your soul, your entire being. The personality that you represent down here, you are awakening now, triggered by the energies and the light of the ascension of this world. Allow yourself to regenerate fully, wholly, and completely. Give yourself permission, let go. Let go of any prefabricated, conscious programming that you may have about your physical self, the suit that you wear. It is controlled by you and your perceptions, what you have learned, what you have taken on board. Allow yourself to light up. Breathe in through your nose. Hold your breath, state the word, regenerate as you breathe out. Breathe in through your nose. Regenerate. Breathe out. Breathe in through your nose. Regenerate. Breathe out. And upon these words, the codes of regeneration flow through every facet of your being. Welcome them, give them permission, allow them to light up. So just stay in this sacred space, regenerating, for as long as you wish. You can come and go as you please. You may return back to this space whenever you wish. Amarillis will be waiting for you. And on the 14th, a few days' time, I'll be joining my brother, David Essery, for the second part of our soul reclamation pathway. And on Saturday, the 16th, I'll be live presenting in Wimborne and Dorset. So come and join us. And I'm pretty sure by the magnitude of the energies that are coming through that Amarillis and these codings will be there as well. Sending you all lots of love, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now.